Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 5x plus 1 over x squared minus 6x plus 9 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. For this one, we can put about x minus 3 to the power of 2. This one we need to minus 15, so we have 15 plus 1. This one you go about 16. This one we can put about 5 multiplied with x minus 3. In here we can divide into two integrals. The first one, the second one. Now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over x minus 3, you got about 5 multiplied with ln of absolute value of x minus 3. The second one, that should be about 16 over 3 minus x, because I put the negative in here and I just change about x minus 3 into 3 minus x, and we put about c is about constant. That's the end. Thank you for watching.